Welcome to Boat Curious, the #1 marketplace for boating. What makes Boat Curious different? Here, you'll get connected with your favorite brands and thousands of others searching for deals or posting their own deals for you to find. Through your profile, we will help you connect with the people, products, and services you want. Here's how it works. Simply create your member profile, then post the deals you are looking for and what deals you have to offer. Immediately, our community of members will see what you have and begin discussing those offers with you. You can also search for your favorite brands to see what amazing deals they are offering you. Then comes the really fun part. Discover the deals and opportunities you never knew were there. Boat Curious is simply the best way to find the deals and opportunities you are looking for. Already, over 50,000 people just like you are part of the Curious family. Now it's your turn. Connect with the #1 marketplace for boating today.